Hi, I'm Mary Nelson, the founder of Tin Lizzee. Tin Lizzee is a new interactive digital solution to home appliance repair. Our online service uses live chat with certified technicians and our free camera sharing app. The app allows our technicians to work side by side with customers virtually, finding and fixing their home appliance problem, all for less than $25 with no time limit. As a mother of four, an Army wife, and an officer in the Army Reserve, I had to find a way to save money and time when our appliances stopped working. This service is perfect for the person who only knows righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, or the experienced DIYer. We provide a green, planet-loving solution, saving appliances from landfills and carbon emissions from repair trucks.
TinLizzee.com, a guided online DIY appliance repair service. Live chat with certified technicians and use our app on your mobile device that allows us to help you repair your home appliance. Learn more at TinLizzee.com.